In this video, I'm going to share my experience of upgrading the front signal lights on my R1200GS. There are two screws on either side of the headlight mounting, one for the signal light and one for the headlight. I decided to do the signal light upgrades when I was doing the headlight upgrades. This was easier because once you remove the headlights, the access to the signal light cables are so much easier. This right signal is a bit difficult to take off because it had cracked before, and then I used super glue to put it in place. I guess the super glue has firmly stuck that in place. Now I'm doing the left hand side signal light. Once you undo the screws, you just have to twist it 180 degrees and you will see that the signal light pops right out. Now I'll just quickly show you how the cabling will be done, and you will see my headlights are removed. So you will run the cable through like this, and as I showed you before, where you had done the 180 degree turn for the signal light, the installation will be exactly the opposite. You will point the signal light the other direction, slot it in and turn it 180 degrees, and it will lock firmly in place, and you need to just put the screw in. The person I bought this bike off of had cut the cables when he had done his signal light replacements, so I'm not able to use the connectors, so I have to cut the cables and connect them. But if your connectors are in place, make sure you use the connectors because it will be better. Once again, you face the signal light in the opposite direction, slot it in, and you turn it 180 degrees. Put it firmly in place. There you go. And now we can start to work on the connections. The connections are quite straightforward. The brown ones on the BMW are the neutral, and you just need to check which cables go where, otherwise your signal lights won't work correctly. I'm using the heat shrink tube insulators to make sure that the cables stay in place and also that they are protected from water. You can use a lighter heat gun if you can. I'm just using a candle because I don't have either of those. Do that for the second signal light as well, and we are ready to go. You can see the lights working perfectly, and this is after I've got the headlights on. Thank you for watching.